For Idaho News 6, I'm senior reporter Don Nelson. Earlier this year, Governor Brad Little signed HB 93 into law. That is the Parental Choice Tax Credit. Defenders of public education call it a voucher subsidy. They don't like it, to the point where they are now taking their case to the Idaho State Supreme Court.
The Idaho Constitution they crafted is crystal clear. The state must provide a uniform, thorough, and free system of public schools.
On what's known as Constitution Day, an alliance of pro-public education organizations say they're committed to defending Idahoans against unconstitutional overreach by the state of Idaho. House Bill 93, now a law, known as the Idaho Parental Choice Tax Credit, it establishes a refundable tax credit for parents of K-12 students to use for non-public school expenses, such as tuition and tutoring. The bill provides up to $5,000 per student or $7,500 for students with disabilities.
And interpreting these 14 words will be the task of our Supreme Court.
Daniel Mooney, president of the Committee to Protect and Preserve the Idaho Constitution, says it's simply government not listening to the will of the people and doing what they think is right for the people.
From our perspective, it couldn't be clearer. Politicians are very creative these days, but the Constitution, these 14 words, don't require any creativity to interpret.
The state is required to provide an option for them, and which we are.
One politician, House Majority Leader Jason Monks, who supports HB 93, is not surprised by Wednesday's announcement. I asked Monks about those 14 words. I don't see the word private in this statement out of the Idaho Constitution.
Absolutely. We do that. We provide it. You can go to any public school that you want to. Every kid can go to those. So we do provide that. Doesn't say we can't do anything else.
Paul Stark, executive director of the Idaho Education Association, says he's in favor of school choice, but not at the expense of taxpayers.
We are very much in favor of school choice and school options. Idaho has some of the greatest number of choices possible right now. The difference is when taxpayer dollars go to fund private religions without any accountability. I should say private schools that are mostly religious.
You know, I find that argument the funniest one of all. We have no problem when I donate to my church, I get a tax credit for that. It's a tax credit for parents who don't educate their kids within the current public school system.
Daniel Mooney feels confident the Idaho Supreme Court will rule in their favor.
Depending on what the Supreme Court says about the current law and the current language of our Constitution, I think it's going to be very difficult for them to get around that language.
Monk disagrees.
I'm really confident that the Supreme Court's going to see that this is a tax credit administered by our tax commission that gives tax money back to an individual who chooses to educate their kid in a different way than through the public education system.
Reporting from the Idaho State House, I'm senior reporter Don Nelson, Idaho News 6.